lovelies, welcome back to the channel. I'm ill, but we have a Witch's Mint unboxing again today, which always cheers me up. So I'm pretty excited and we're just gonna get right into it. So this is our lovely box as usual and we're just gonna whip it open. Ooh, it's all green. Okay, well I'm enjoying this because the spring is like just starting to creep in here, which always makes me feel so much better. So I'm enjoying like the kind of green springtime feeling in here. Oh my god. Okay, so on top we have our little pamphlet that tells us everything that's in here. I like surprises, so I'm going to go through the box, see what things I know, see what things I don't, and learn about everything at the end. So by the end of this video we will know what everything is, don't you worry. But I'm going to set this aside for now. And we have a little card. Don't know if it's like a little affirmation or something, but it says money is energy, money flows to me. So I don't know if that's sort of to do with like manifesting wealth and stuff, which is always good because unfortunately in this life money is important. I wish it wasn't. I really wish it wasn't, but it is, and I am constantly short on it. So I'm gonna keep this with me, I think. Hopefully get some good vibrations going. So here we go. Ooh, first of all we have, I don't actually know what it says on here, but I'm pretty sure these are bay leaves. It's probably just another name for bay leaves. Let me have a sniff. I can barely smell anything right now, but yes, I'm pretty sure these are bay leaves, which I'm pretty sure are a symbol of like fortune and stuff within various forms of witchcraft, so that is cool. So I've got a little sachet of bay leaves. So these have been labeled as Bastine. I don't recognize that name. These kind of look like peppercorns or something to me. Hold on. Although they smell kind of like cinnamon. I'm not really sure. Peppercorns? Juniper berries? I'm not sure. We'll find out at the end though, but they do look sort of peppercorn-ish. Next up, I think this says Mikette, but it is cloves. I can tell for sure that these are cloves. You can see right there. Yeah, love the smell of cloves. Okay, next up we have our little oil. This oil says Renenutet, I think. And what all is in here? The bottle's quite dark, so I can't fully see what's in here, but let me have a sniff. Oh, this has a lot of familiar smells actually, but I can't fully place a lot of them. I think I might be able to see some cloves in there, but I'm not sure what else. And something smells quite green, so I'm interested to find out what we have in here. Oh wow! Okay. One darn tootin' second. Wow, so we have this really, really beautiful ankh, which is just, or ankh, which just seems really, really nice. It's so, so pretty. It has like a lot of, I don't know, would these be I can't speak, I'm too ill. You know what I mean? I'm not an idiot, I'm just sick. But yeah, that's really cool. Ooh, there's something really big in here. Right, hold on. First of all, we have our candle. I want to say this says like Abbey of the Sycamore, but I'm not totally sure if that's right. But it's like a really pretty sort of like almost bluish green candle. It's definitely mostly green, but ooh, it smells really good. Next up we have this little gold bag, and I think this has our stone this month. Ooh, what is this? I don't know what this is, but it's really pretty. Like a big old chunk of something kind of greenish. Would this be jade? I feel like no, unless just the type of jade that I'm used to seeing is different to this, but I'm feeling like that's probably not what it is, but whatever it is, it's real nice. We'll find out at the end with this, but that's about the only guess that I could give. Oh, we have our salt for this month. In bulk, maybe? That's one of those words that I don't know how to pronounce. I've only seen it like spelled. I haven't actually heard it said out loud. I feel like that. We'll find out at the end. It's fine. Let me have a sniff. Ooh. Oh wow. This is a really pleasant smell. I can just about smell it, but maybe kind of fruity? I don't know, but this is really nice. I cannot wait to use this one. I'm definitely going to use this in my next bath. Oh, I'm suffering. Okay, we have our incense. I can't smell it. I can kind of smell it. It smells really nice. I couldn't even begin to guess what it is, but it smells good. And then finally we have this little package here, and it feels like a book or something. Let me see. Ooh. Oh wow! Egyptian prosperity magic. Spells and recipes for financial empowerment. That's really cool. Well, that's fucking awesome. Hold on. So yeah, this is the book. And here's a little bit on the back if you want to pause and have a read. But yeah, that's really, really interesting. That's awesome. Okay. This was stuck to the lid. I didn't... Oh, so the artwork this month. Someone told me that the way I said it last time isn't how you say it, but I've heard other people say it the way I said it, so now I'm confused. I'm gonna keep saying it the way that I said it before, just because that's how I've always heard it in the past. Thoth. Remember Thought Oil? No, Thoth. And he is wisdom and prosperity. God of wisdom, Lord of divine words, Lord of learning. So yeah, we've got this. That's awesome. So this box is very like Egyptian slash wealth themed, which is pretty cool. So let me just open this on up. Yeah, Egyptian magic. Whenever I was a kid, I was like obsessed with anything to do with ancient Egypt. Limited edition Egyptian prosperity magic book by Claudia R. Delaire. Yes. Inscribed resin ink plaque. Hand cast using real crushed stone bonded with high quality designer resin. Individually hand painted. Hand rolled Lady of the Sycamore. Is that what it says? What did I say? Like Abby or something? Oh, okay, I see. The D has like a little top tail on it, and then I didn't realize that. Okay, yeah. I see. It's just the L was far away from the words. Lady of the Sycamore. Okay. Hand rolled and charged. This candle took the purpose of connecting to the transformative energies of Hathor, or the Lady of the Sycamore. It's been enchanted with a special mixture of scarab magical oil, Renenutet magical anointing oil, goddess that is kept close to Egyptian magicians and witches as she brings with her protection, prosperity, abundance and good fortune. Known as the Lady of the Fertile Fields, her energy brings with it the comfort of knowing that a bountiful crop is among the horizon. Lemongrass, clove and bay leaf oils, and then there's also a bay leaf, some allspice and lemon verbena, and a Lemurian quartz crystal. And there's also a special mixture of attraction magical oil. Okay, cool. Yeah, okay, so the word is what I thought it was. I just don't know if I'm saying it right. Imbolg or Imbolg. Gaelic festival marking the beginning of spring is what I was going for. I've never heard anyone say it out loud, and Gaelic words are just like, you can guess what they might sound like, but you're probably wrong. Even Irish names are a nightmare. And I'm from Ireland. Celebrated between... So I'm a little bit late on this box, so it's usually celebrated sort of January 31st, February 1st time. But as I mentioned in the last video, I had a bit of a rough time there, so I ended up behind. But still, I appreciate this very much anyway. So yeah, that's the in bulk sacred salt. Jasmine and violet oils. That's why I love it so much. It must be like, because jasmine and violet are two of my favorite smells. Jasmine and violet oils, elderflower and jasmine buds, and a special mixture of our in bulk magical oil. Oh! Rough Sumatran green jade. It is jade. Okay, cool. Kai was right. Truly beneficial stone has been highly esteemed throughout recorded history as strengthener of life and protector of death. Wow, okay. Egyptian offering incense. Wonderful scent of cinnamon and clove. Oh, so all the herbs that we got are used in the Egyptian prosperity magic book. So I guess that's why the names are things I didn't recognize. Okay, so Myket, also known as clove. Basheen bark, also known as allspice. Is that the little round things, maybe? Must be the little round things. And bay bark, also known as bay leaf. Okay, that's cool. Personalized oracle reading. Oh, that's our little like money card. This card and the message that it holds was meant for you. Parchment paper, yep, is in here. And Thoth Book of Shadows artwork. Yes. Okay, we got everything. So as always, I very much enjoyed that. I hope you did too. Hopefully this is like a good omen for 2019. Hopefully it'll be like, you know, a year of good fortune and prosperity. I don't know, I'm really sick. I don't even know if I'm speaking English at this point. But I did very much enjoy doing this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it despite me being a little old hobbled sick mess. Remember to leave a comment and give the video a thumbs up because I'd really appreciate that. If you're new here, consider subscribing. If you do, or if you're already subscribed, make sure you hit the bell so that you know whenever new videos come out, because YouTube doesn't like to tell you. And yeah, before you could go, if you could check out my Patreon Speaking of, if you could check out my Patreon, it is a great way to support this channel. It's a way that you can tip your favorite creators and give back to them for the content that they create for you. And I would love it if you could check that out. Oh my goodness gracious. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye lovelies.